In this video I'm gonna show you how you can share your YouTube video on Instagram story. So first go to YouTube. After that take a screenshot of your YouTube video thumbnail. Now just edit the screenshot and resize it. After that click on save. Now click on the video. After that click on share, copy link. Now go back to your Instagram, click on plus icon and then click on story. Now on the top click on sticker and then on the bottom select the link. Now paste the YouTube video link here and then click on done. Now you can position it on the top or bottom. You can write any caption here. Now click on next and then click on share, click on done, and there you go. And that's how you can share your YouTube video on Instagram story. So hope that this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.